The south coast of Florida should expect to see changes following ocean acidification. The coast of Florida is a particularly vulnerable place due to the reefs there and the marine life that rely on reefs for food and shelter. Due to the increasing levels of CO2 in the air, ocean surfaces are absorbing higher amounts of CO2 and causing the oceans to become more acidic. Some more extreme acidification projections show a pH decrease of 0.3 by the year 2100. As the oceans become more acidic, the marine life that rely on calcite or aragonite to build their skeletons will begin to suffer. Continuously, various forms of plankton are largely affected by high rates of CO2, and if they start to decline, food chains can become interrupted. When it comes to ocean acidification and the reefs are incredibly important to the ecosystem and contain productive fisheries. As the reef health starts to decline, the food chain becomes disrupted and can throw off the ecosystem in the surrounding area. Communities in the area could be affected by a loss of species off the coast, as well as sea changes in fishing around the area. A primary solution for ocean acidification will be to start reducing our greenhouse gas emissions and reduce the carbon in the air as soon as possible so we don't reach a significant pH decrease.